Hi guys, so today I'm going to be showing y'all my wig install. This is my wig for Miss Coco, I believe, and it is in the texture curly. I dyed it and bleached it and got this burnt orange color. Okay, so off camera I went ahead and glued down my cap with the Got2b glue and the Got2b spray. Please excuse my brother and them, they laughing in the back and they watching TV, so I'm sure they was gonna be loud. But I went ahead and did that. I cut the perimeter off because I didn't feel as though I needed that. And I just want y'all to know I'm not a professional, so it wasn't gonna be super duper perfect. But it laid, so I was excited. So now I'm gonna go ahead and take my wig off of the mannequin head. And so I had already taken it off and placed it on my head. My camera cut off. But right here, you'll see me just tapping in some of my foundation on the front of it because it wasn't really matching my consistency. So I did kind of pull it up a little bit so that I can get like my complexion on it. So right here, you'll see me spraying the Got2b and just kind of rubbing it in with my finger. I pull it up just a little bit because I want that to lay as seamless as I possibly can get it. So I blow dry it a little bit, and then I take the end of my comb, my rat tail comb, and I'm just, combing it through and sticking the thing down, making it lay right. So you'll see me go in back and forth with that, maybe pick up the spray more. I just keep doing it until I get it right. But the main thing I really use is just the spray. I don't really go in with the glue to glue it to my head. I'll just spray it like directly on there and then glue it with that. But you could do the glue first and then on top the glue put the Got2b spray. But I feel that the Got2b spray lay it down just without even having that. Once again, I have my blow dryer setting on cool. Look at me, go girl, just feeling myself. Oh my gosh, I be all up into it, y'all. When I feel like I did a good job, I be like, get into this. Like, you have to feel me like I feel you. What I went ahead and did was sewed the perimeter of my head down. A lot of people are like kind of against this, but I feel like if I'm gonna leave it in my head for a little longer, that it's okay to go ahead and sew down the perimeter of my head because I want it to be stuck. And you never know, girls be trying to run up on you, they want to snatch your wig. Baby, no, not this wig. It's not going nowhere. It's gonna be laid right and it's gonna be sewed down tight. But anyway, I'm gonna let y'all watch that. Okay, and I'm finally done sewing it down, and my hair is cute. Period, poo. Ain't nothing wrong with it, baby. Like, it's laid. Like, I don't know what to say. So, of course, I'm gonna go in and I'm gonna go do my baby hair. So right now, I'm just gonna clean off my kind of like my hairline, so that it won't be like real. I don't know, cakey. I don't know how to explain it, but yeah. Okay, so right here I've grabbed my Nairobi mousse, and I always spray that right across my edges, like all over the front of my head. And I will relay my baby hairs with that, as well as with my flat iron. I'll take, well, not my flat iron, but my wand, because I haven't purchased a hot comb yet. But with my wand and a comb, after I tie my hair down, I'm gonna go through with that to make that flat and neat. Like, you know how you get that seamless flat look? It's gonna create that flat look, flat, not that, but flat look that, everybody wants. You know what I'm saying? So just keep watching and y'all see that. Y'all gonna see it. These edges, child, like, y'all, that's my biggest struggle. Like, I be struggling with my edges. I don't know. I feel like one day I'm gonna get better with them, but it takes time. You'll learn as you go. But yeah, y'all just continue watching. this is the look. Thanks for watching. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. Share this video if you like it, and stay blessed and not stressed.